Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I will show you how you can connect AirPods to this smartphone. So at the first you have to open charging case of your AirPods, move your case like that, and click and hold this button to move your AirPods to the pairing mode. So let's make it. Take a look on the indicator. When it starts blinking, right now you have to release that key, and next what you have to do, open notification bar, or just go from the settings to the Bluetooth settings, just like that. Activate Bluetooth and take a look on the list. When AirPods pop here, just tap on them once, like that. Accept pairing request at the bottom. And after a few moments, as you can see, we are connected. Let's wait. We are connecting, and right now we are connected. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.